Hey guys, it's Laura. I'm here for my April plan with me, and it's my birthday month. So we're using this super beautiful kit from Scribble Prints Co. I did also buy the foil monthly add-on page thing from Planning Roses, which is where I got this April script from. It came not cut well, so I had to peel the backing off and pop everything off individually, and it was a huge pain in the butt. Like, if you can see this number, it is not popped off all the way and stuff like that. So it's just, I've re-put all the stickers on this sheet because it was a disaster. But that's what I'm gonna use to accompany this kit. So we have the top bars and some deco, and then boxes and labels, and then these are like full boxes, all 8 of those, and then some other little boxes. And then I did pick up the decorative sidebar this month. I also have run out of whiteout, so I'm hoping this doesn't look horrible. I'm gonna be so sad if it does. If it does, I'll lift up the sticker and whiteout underneath after I get some whiteout in. But you guys, it's April during coronavirus quarantine. I have no set plans. I work, you maybe work. Hopefully you work. You might not work. I'm sorry if you don't work. I don't know, you guys. I bet those boxes go here, don't they? I have not used one of her kits in a while. Okay, so there's 2 here. All right, I'm just gonna put all 3 of these up here in a row, even though I don't think I need, you get a lot more than what you need, I guess is what I'm saying. We'll just pop them in here for the days not in the month. That is crooked. It is currently the 4th as I'm filming, so I'm a little behind, but who has had motivation to film this? Do you know what I mean? Nothing. Am I planning anything for this month? I don't think so. That is so crooked. Okay, I think those are a little layered, but it's okay. You can kind of see the April 2020 through there, but I don't think it's going to be enough to bug me. It's probably also a little crooked. Who knows? But yeah. I'm lacking motivation to plan because it's just not exciting, you know? There's nothing going on. There's nothing we can do. And that's just what it is. I'm going to start this over just a smidge because I don't think that blue goes as far as the dots go. And I think that's where I run into problems every month. Yeah, that looks better. So I don't know. I don't know that I have anything to talk about. I have no plans. So I'm essentially setting this up just because I have the kit. The kit is beautiful. It's my birthday month, so I'm definitely not, I don't want to skip anything. But I'm not very excited, if you know what I mean. So there's that. Okay, I don't know what I want down here. I think I'll do one more leopard and then maybe this one. So I'm gonna fast forward. I'm gonna put my bills down. We're gonna do the normal stuff, but it's gonna be very lackluster of any plans. The Pilates I'm doing is online, and I'm just kind of doing it as it comes, as I get excited to take a class or like as they become available, but nothing pre-scheduled. So I don't know. There's that. That's all I've got for you guys. I will see you when I'm done. Okay, so I have a bunch of this gold stuff left and then a bunch of labels because I have no like events to mark. I guess I could mark on the 3rd that we were told like that we weren't going back to school, because that's kind of a big thing. Originally we were supposed to go back, we were out till the 17th, so we would have gone back the 20th, which is actually a teacher work day, which doesn't matter anymore. And then actually I think it was a PD. I wonder if we're still having some sort of virtual PD. And then we would have gone back the 21st, but that's not happening anymore. We're still teaching, but obviously things look a little different. So we're doing all online. So this is what my spread looks like. And I will tell you guys, I did contact Jenna about this sheet just to let her know. And she did give me a refund for the paper. So there is that. I meant to tell you that because like you can tell some of the foiling is off. And like if you look at like these paydays, like they're like you can see that they didn't like cut all the way and they're a little crazy. But this is where we're at. So I have, I think, all of my bills in. Not totally positive. I feel like I have something. Oh, my car payment is the 22nd. I always forget that I switched it from the 2nd because it comes out on the 20th. So if I pay it the 22nd, I don't like have as much interest and stuff. So yeah. Instead of waiting till the 2nd. So I pay it the 22nd, just to make sure that my paycheck has time to clear. But yeah, this is my April spread. So I apologize that I have really nothing to mark, but it actually looks quite full. I mean, here's my March. Like, does March really have anything more? Oh, I need to put a bra in. I don't know. March doesn't have like a ton more than April currently has. So I have lots of boxes to add things in. I think this is super pretty. I wish I had my white out so I could have gotten rid of some of this stuff underneath, but I think it works overall. And we're just rolling with the punches right now, right? Right. Okay. Sorry that that was probably boring, but I still wanted to make a video and still have my birthday month be a spread that I was doing, because who doesn't want their birthday month as one of their like videos that they do? So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so again, this was Scribble Prints Co. and Planning Roses as the extra foil, because Scribble Prints Co. doesn't do foiled kits for monthlies. She has just foil like in her shop. But I don't know. I think it's beautiful. I would totally like order this from Planning Roses again. It just was an off sheet and she refunded me for it. So there's that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed at least a little bit and liked this kit. I think it's super pretty. I think it's still in her shop because it's birthday, so it's kind of like anytime. And then I have the matching weekly spread for my birthday also. I'll link that video up here if it's not up already, or if you're watching this late, it will be linked. Okay, that's really it. I hope you guys hit the subscribe button and you're hanging in there with being on stay-at-home orders, or if you are having to work as an essential worker. I hope you guys are doing well and that this was a little bit of a reprieve from the craziness. All right, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.